Did you know that expats in Germany overpay an average of 2,500 euros in taxes every year just because they don't know the rules? That's right. You could be leaving thousands of euros on the table. But here's the good news. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you how to stop overpaying and save over 3,000 euros a year with 5 legal tax hacks for 2025. Ready to take back your money? Let's dive in. The hidden tax trap for expats. Imagine this. You've moved to Germany for a new job, a fresh start, or maybe even love. You're settling in, learning the language, enjoying the culture, but then tax season hits. Suddenly, you're drowning in forms, deadlines, and confusing rules. And the worst part? You're paying way more than you need to. As an expat, Germany taxes your worldwide income once you've been here for 6 months. That means your salary, investments, even money from back home, it's all on the table. It feels like the government is reaching into your pocket and taking more than its fair share. Frustrating, right? But here's the thing, you don't have to accept it. Germany's tax system is complex, but it's also full of opportunities, if you know where to look. Today, I'm going to reveal 5 powerful hacks that could save you over 3,000 euros a year. These aren't loopholes or shady tricks. They're 100% legal strategies that expats often miss. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take control of your taxes and keep more of your hard-earned money. So, let's get started with the first hack that could put hundreds, or even thousands, back in your pocket. 5 hacks to slash your taxes. Hack 1. Maximize your deductions. First up, deductions. Did you know that as an expat, you can deduct a ton of expenses that most people overlook? For example, if you move to Germany for work, you can deduct your moving costs, flights, shipping, even temporary housing. Took a German language course to fit in? Deduct it. Visa fees, work-related travel, even some home office expenses, they all count. Take Anna, a British expat in Berlin. She deducted her moving costs, language classes, and even her home office setup. Result? She saved over 1,200 euros in taxes last year. That's real money you could use for a vacation, savings, or just a nicer apartment. So, start keeping receipts and track every expense related to your move and work. It's like finding free money in the tax code. Taxes might not be sexy, but a fat refund sure is. Now that you're maximizing deductions, let's talk about something even smarter: investing. Invest tax smart. Next, investments. Germany offers tax-advantaged accounts that can seriously cut your tax bill. For example, putting money into a German pension plan lowers your taxable income now and grows tax-free until retirement. It's like planting a money tree for your future self. Plus, certain investments, like dividends from German stocks, get taxed at a lower rate. And here's a fun fact. If you invest in green energy projects, you might even qualify for tax credits. Imagine saving money and saving the planet. Not sure where to start? Talk to a financial advisor who knows expat taxes. They can help you pick investments that work for your goals and your tax bill. Have you checked how your investments are taxed yet? If not, now's the time. Investing is great, but what if you're not planning to stay in Germany forever? That's where hack 3 comes in. Here's a tricky one: your residency status. If you're not planning to settle in Germany long-term, you might be able to avoid full tax residency. Some expats split their time between countries to pay less tax here. It's not easy. You need to plan carefully, but it could save you big. For example, if you spend less than 183 days in Germany per year, you might only be taxed on your German income, not your worldwide earnings. That's a game changer if you have income from other countries. But be careful. This requires precise planning. Miss a day, and you could owe thousands more. It's like a high-stakes chess game, but the prize is worth it. Speaking of prizes, let's talk about your family next. Claim tax credits for dependents. If you have kids or a non-working spouse, this hack is for you. Germany offers generous tax credits for dependents. For each child, you can claim the Kinderfreibetrag, which reduces your taxable income by over 8,000 euros per child. That's huge. Even better, if your spouse doesn't work, you might qualify for a lower tax class, which means less tax withheld from your paycheck each month. Take Marco, an Italian expat with 2 kids. By claiming these credits, he saved over €2,000 last year. That's money for school, activities, or just family fun. So, don't forget your family. They're not just your loved ones. They're your tax allies. Humorous comment. Who knew kids could be such great tax deductions? Now, let's secure your future with Hack 5. Leverage double taxation agreements. Finally, double taxation agreements. If you're earning income from your home country, you might be getting taxed twice, once there and once in Germany. But Germany has agreements with many countries to prevent this. For example, if you're from the US, you can claim a foreign tax credit in Germany for taxes paid back home. This could slash your German tax bill. But here's the catch. You need to file the right forms and know the rules. It's not automatic. So, do your homework or get help from a tax pro. Think of it as unlocking a secret level in the tax game. Once you know the code, the savings are yours. But wait, there's one mistake that could cost you everything. What is it? I'll reveal it in just a moment. Before we wrap up, let's make sure you don't trip at the finish line. Resolution: take control and save big. So, there you have it. 5 powerful hacks to stop overpaying taxes in Germany. Let's recap. Maximize your deductions. Every euro counts. Invest tax smart to grow your wealth. Optimize your residency if you're not staying long-term. Claim credits for your dependents. Leverage double taxation agreements to avoid paying twice. Implement these strategies, and you could save over €3,000 a year. Imagine what you could do with that extra cash. Travel, invest, or just enjoy life in Germany without the tax stress. But here's the cliffhanger. The biggest mistake expats make is not filing on time. Germany's tax office doesn't mess around. Miss the deadline, and you could face penalties up to €25,000. That's a vacation's worth of cash gone. So, set reminders, stay organized, and protect your savings. You've got the tools now, use them. And remember, this isn't just about 2025. It's about building a smarter financial future. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more expat finance tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.